In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a class in Google Classroom. Whether you're wrapping up your semester, clearing out old classes, or simply organizing your virtual teaching space, knowing how to archive is an invaluable tool. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into Google Classroom with your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Classroom website. Once you're there, sign in using your Google credentials, which will take you to the Classroom homepage, the central hub for all your courses. Now on this homepage, your next task is to locate the specific course you want to archive. You'll see a grid of course cards, each displaying a different class. Take a moment to identify the one you'd like to archive. A good tip here is to check the course title and make sure you have the right one before proceeding. After finding your course, focus your attention on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the course card. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is sometimes referred to as the More Options menu and contains various actions you can perform on the course. From the options in the drop-down, select the one labelled Archive. When you click Archive, a confirmation dialog box will pop up, and this is where you'll need to confirm your decision to archive the class. It's a confirmation step that prevents accidental archiving, ensuring that you really want to proceed. Click Archive once more to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've successfully archived your class. But what happens to that course now? Well, once archived, the course will no longer appear in your active class view. Instead, it's moved to the archived classes section. If at any point you need to access your archived courses, simply click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. From there, select Archived Classes, and you'll be able to see all your archived courses displayed neatly. And remember, archiving isn't the end-all for a course. If you ever need to work with the course again, you can restore it, or if you're sure you won't need it anymore, permanently delete it from this section. This flexibility ensures that your Google Classroom remains efficient and tailored to your teaching needs. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to archive a class in Google Classroom. With this knowledge, it's much easier to keep your digital classroom organized and manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.